For any problem where you want to find a percentage of a number, you're going to use multiplication. So in this example, we have a total bill that is this much, and we want to know what a certain percentage of $90.50 is. So you take that amount and multiply it by that percent as a decimal. So always slide the decimal spot 2 spots to the left, and then you get your decimal version of the percent. So here we have 0.18. So do this multiplication right here, and you'll find what 18% is of that total $90.50. And I just typed that in on a calculator, 90.5 multiplied by 0.18. And I got that the tip would come out to $16.29. That is 18% of this amount. For a problem like this that you're trying to set up, I'm going to start here with the word is. That typically indicates an equality sign when you have a word problem. So 579%, 79% of what number? So what number is an X, an unknown, some variable, some value that we don't know, is equal to 1,500 or 11,580. So 579% of X is equal to 11,580. Now to solve this, like that previous example I showed, when you're doing a percentage of a number, you want to do multiplication. So slide the decimal 2 spots to the left. You need to multiply the decimal form of the percent. So 5.79 times our variable X, our what number, our unknown number, is 11,580. So to solve this, you would now divide both sides by 5.79. And doing that on a calculator, 11,580 divided by 5.79 gives me that X is 2,000. Here we have another word problem with percents. Let's see if we can set this up. So I am going to notice that the word is right there. We'll kind of build off that with our equal sign. But also think about what the unknown is to start with. The recommended daily amount of fiber is mentioned twice here, and we don't know what that total is. We don't know what that value should be. So that is our variable. That's our unknown, the recommended daily amount of fiber. And so we have 7 grams of fiber in this cereal, and that's equal to 28% of that unknown, that recommended daily value. So that recommended daily amount of fiber is our X, it's our unknown. And our 7 grams is 28% of that, our of indicating that multiplication of the 28% and our unknown. To solve this, we're going to need to write that 28% as a decimal here. Slide your decimal spot 2 places to the left, 0.28 multiplied by our unknown. And use algebra to solve this. Divide both sides by 0.28. And typing that in a calculator, 7 divided by 0.28 is giving me 25 would be our answer. It's the recommended daily amount of fiber. Looking at a problem here with percent decrease. So we had an original price and it's reduced from $2.80 to $2.73. So find that percent decrease. It's gone down in price. First, you need to know the amount decrease. So you would do just subtraction for that. $2.80, subtract $2.73. The cost has gone down by 7 cents. So what percent of the original price is 7 cents? So you're going to take that number you're looking at, the 7 cents, and just form the ratio comparing it to the original amount. Do that division. So 0.07 divided by 2.8. And typing that in a calculator, you're going to get 0.025. So anytime you want to find a percent increase or decrease, you're going to set up a ratio like this. And on top is going to be the part, the amount of either increase or decrease. And the whole original amount that you're comparing that to is what goes on bottom. So this is the decimal form then of the percent decrease. Slide the decimal spot 2 spots to the right to get it as a percent. It's 2.5% is the decrease. And you'll want to leave that as a positive 2.5%. And this is a decrease. The price has gone down, but we're talking about it as a percent decrease. And so the amount it has decreased is 2.5%. And so you wouldn't want to make that a negative 2.5%, because if you said it decreased by a negative amount, you're really saying then the price increased if you're decreasing by a negative. So I hope that made sense. If you're talking about a percent decrease, your answer is whatever positive percentage comes out from your ratio over here. For this problem, we're looking at a percent increase. So we want to know how much it has changed from the original amount, 20,000, to the new population, which is 34,000. So again, using subtraction. And there you go. It is 14,000 when you subtract those two numbers is the amount that the population has increased. So you take that part of the whole, the amount that it has increased by, and place that over the original total. We're seeing how much that original whole amount has increased. What percent of that has it gone up? So do division there, 14,000 divided by 20,000. And when you do that division, you should get 0.7. That's the decimal version. You want to slide 2 decimal spots. So we're going to have to put another 0 in there to make it 70% is the percent increase in population.